Rajhat of human being who's always said, "Inhone itna kiya, unhone itna kiya." The truth is, her clinic, every single member of her family, she herself, are a living example of if you believe in something, you can actualize it. I'm deeply humbled, ladies and gentlemen, members of the press, everyone listening to this, ye kitab zarur padhiyega. Because if you think there's any other way to be beautiful, then being natural, it's going to be short lived. You want it to be forever, you have to feel it from inside. Thank you very much for having me.
Thank you so much.
I think it's something that we face on a monthly basis. So it's very important to follow some of the things that she says. I think, if I'm not mistaken, it's a combination of neem leaf, and one more leaf. Mint. Mama, well done. Neem, mint, and cucumber. If you mix it together, so says doctor, and apply it, it works wonders on acne. For that matter, she believes greatly in using lentils for skin scrubs. Actually, that's an incredible thing because ever since my babies were very, very small, we used it. We grinded it at home because they were really heavy monkeys when they were born. So they were little. So we used to use that a lot at home. My mum at home has always used natural things in mashallah, she's beautiful. She's never used makeup in her life. Some of us don't get to do that. But she does a lot of stuff at home just by herself, and she'd be very nervous if I asked her to tell you. Okay, she's already saying no. But yeah, keeping it simple and natural. I mean, mera bas chalta tha, I would not wear makeup at all. But for all my friends here who keep shooting on camera, I have to wear it for their purpose. But yeah, I like skin. I just like it to be natural.
Wow, thank you so much, Rishmita. Dr. Shetty, we'd love to hear from you about your association with Rishmita. How was it having her around to guide, to train, to tell her what to do?
See, honestly, to be on the panel, it was very, I was so happy with the whole thing. And I thought, while working around the candidates and everything, Sushmita was always there. I've never seen a person who would be so warm with everybody. Forget people who are contestants, people who are doctors, but I've seen her moving around with people who are just walking around with the camera, with the lights. I would just see her patting them and giving them, such is what I feel. A beautiful person has this kind of an emotion. She can just gel with anybody, and that's a big thing in her. So I found what a wonderful person she is, and it was really wonderful for me working for her. Anytime, though later, whatever she comes up with, I'm always with her.
By the way, members of the press and all the men present here, इस किताब के सिर्फ 2 ही पन्ने men को dedicate किए गए हैं, वो जरूर पढ़िएगा. Everything else is for kids and for women, of course, because we have multifaceted issues, concerns.
The thing was, I thought they're both equal, otherwise the same food we eat on the table.
Correct.
So why not put the same pack also?
Absolutely.
So there's no major difference except for certain issues that are handled.
But I just want to wish her the very best and this book the very best. I have my copy, you should take yours. You should really read it. Because सबसे अच्छी बात ये है कि उन्होंने बड़े सिंपल तरीके से बहुत कम बात करते हुए सीधे रेसिपीज दिए हैं and have told things for women who are going to be married soon, just before the engagement, just before their wedding, just before having a baby. All of these phases in a woman's life and the things that will help her naturally. So do read the book, enjoy it, and I wish you every success in the world. Thank you so much for having me. Thank you, Reslan, and I wish you all the very best. हम लोग थोड़े impatient से होते हैं कि हर चीज़ का रिजल्ट अभी होना चाहिए क्योंकि कल शूट है या कल फोटो शूट है या कल कुछ और पब्लिक अपीयरेंसेस हैं. But thankfully, in the last 4 years, I've met her 4 years ago for the first time when we got together. As you know, I haven't shot a film, so I've not had the urgency to go and do things to myself which are chemically driven. It has been pretty natural. I have my elder daughter Renee is for some reason into avocado packs. So she finds them, she puts them in the fridge, makes them cold, and then at will chops them and applies them on herself. And I'm the guinea pig that she tries everything new on. So this is, she's in boarding, so she and the other girls are very excited to know that so many young people today are learning how to do things themselves. That could also be a result of the fact that mothers don't allow you to buy anything. So then you end up making things for yourself and taking care. But I do use a lot of natural stuff. Herbs is something only she prepares. But when it comes to using cucumber for the eyes, because I do get this a lot because of being an insomniac. So you need a lot of cucumber. I do use lentil packs for scrub because I love exfoliating my skin. I do have dry skin, so that helps. I don't apply too much oil in my hair. That's just something, the hair aspect, she's been after me for a long time to listen. I haven't yet. But skin, she's got. I just listen to her with my eyes shut. You know, every individual has a different need and a very different level of patience in them. I don't think you can dictate that to a person. A person will take it at the pace that they are comfortable. But I do believe very strongly in the fact that when you say something is natural, the first thing you have to accept is that nature has a timeline. आप कितनी कोशिश कर लो, बरसात के समय से पहले नहीं आती. आप कितनी कोशिश कर लो, सीजन नहीं बदलते. Everything in nature decides at a given time. And therefore, even the lines we get and the wrinkles that come around, they are a part of nature's way of saying, ab ye wala mausam aa gaya hai, you know, and you have to accept it. Some people can, some can't, and well, that's fine too. For me, I think every line on my face, every product I use is something I've learned over a period of time. I've chosen to use them, chosen to feel a certain way. And then there have been times when certain lines disturb you and say, ये तो नहीं थे पहले, कहाँ से आ गए? And then you look at them and you say, मैंने कमाई है, जिंदगी में बहुत मुस्कुराया है, तो लाभ लाइन्स आ गई, बहुत स्क्विंट किया है, concentrate किया है, तो crow feet आ गए. It's a part of life, and the more you accept it, the more beautiful you grow with those lines. I think I feel more beautiful at 38 than I did when I was 18. And people thought that was Miss Universe. I think life and experience makes you beautiful. सच बात तो ये है कि डे बाय डे उम्र बढ़ रही है, इंसान यंग नहीं हो रहा है. मगर जब तक दिल यंग हो, इंसान को ओल्ड बुलाना बहुत मुश्किल है. I think you have to इंसान को खुश रहना चाहिए, क्योंकि इंसान के पास वक्त जो है एक बहुत ही ट्रिकी कॉन्सेप्ट होता है. अगर आप वक्त पे बहुत ज़्यादा ध्यान देने लग जाएं, तो टाइम रन्स आउट हो जाएगा. बट व्हाटएवर यू लिव्ड हैज़ बीन एन एक्सपीरियंस, और वो हमेशा खूबसूरत लगता है. तो जी बिल्कुल, जहाँ तक मेरा सवाल है, और कल आपकी कॉम्प्लीमेंट की बात है, तो आपको अगर ऐसा लगता है कि मैं दिन ब दिन जवान होती चली जा रही हूँ, तो निर्मला शेट्टी जी को क्रेडिट बिल्कुल दे दें आप. हमारी इतनी बुरी आदत होती है एक्टर्स की कि हम लोग अगर जेनेटिकली भी गिफ्टेड हों, कि हमारे खानदान में सबका स्किन बहुत सुंदर है, तो हमारा भी बाय डिफॉल्ट सुंदर है स्किन. No, we wake up in the morning, we do moisturizing, toning, this, that, and I go to the spa regularly, and then I go to this particular spa in Spain. So हम लोगों की थोड़ी आदत खराब है, हम थोड़ा ऐसे गॉसिप करते हैं. बट सच बात तो सिर्फ ये है, सुबह उठ के मुँह धोया जाता है, और उसके बाद सीधे you keep your pores clean, you exfoliate, थोड़ा बहुत तो करना पड़ता है. And as you get older, you must take more care of your skin. And if you have bad habits, which all of us do at some level, all the more you need to take care of it. Yes, we do share secrets sometimes, but I promise you, most of us are like. Happy birthday, Mr. Bachchan. देखिए, हम फिल्में जब करते हैं, तो you're always in awe of a great actor. And an epic actor like Mr. Bachchan, you're always standing by. तो होता ये है usually जब आप शॉट दे रहे होते हैं, तो जैसे ही आपका शॉट खत्म हो जाता है, आप लोग अपने वैन चले जाते हैं वापस. बट मिस्टर बच्चन के साथ हमेशा ऐसा होता था कि सारे एक्टर्स, अर्जुन, अक्षय, मैं, सब, परेश रावल तक, हम लोग सब खड़े रहते थे उनका टेक देखने के लिए. That always happens. But I must tell you more about him on his birthday as a person. बहुत रिसेंटली हम लोग लंदन से बॉम्बे साथ में आ रहे थे फ्लाइट में, और मेरी दोनों बिटिया मेरे साथ प्लेन में थी, और वो तो प्लेन की शुरुआत से कूदने लगी. तो मुझे पहले से घबराहट हो रही थी कि ये इनको बहुत तंग करने वाले पूरे फ्लाइट. So I went up and I said, sir, please don't be disturbed. ये 5 साल की हैं और ये 15, इनकी requirements बड़ी अलग-अलग होगी. She want photo autograph, that one is going to sit on your lap. यही हुआ. इतने patiently he sat and entertained both the children through the flight and came back with memories galore for them. So I wish you a long and a happy and a healthy life, sir. May you continue to be the legend you have always been. We love you deeply. Happy birthday, Amitabh Bachchan. Thank you so much.
But I can assure you, you need to do nothing. You just blown and
No, I want to be pampered. After so many years, I'm going to get married. I'm going to make sure everybody has a really hard time. You do this for me, you do that for me, do this to my hair. And of course, Dr. Shetty will be right there, making sure that I get pampered. But yeah, we should.
Great, thank you so much. Are we done with the video? Sushmita, it's been a pleasure to have you here with us. Thank you so very much for taking time out and being here with us.
Oh, my pleasure, and thank you everyone.